All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Victor in the background. Hey, New Year's Eve, but we don't celebrate till you celebrate. Remember yesterday? Let me turn this around. I was showing you that, remember I said it's not going to be a huge difference but it had all those stains. It was the pet urine stain that was here, and spots, and the carpet line where the rug used to be, and over here was all the spots and drips from the dining room table. But now it's all uniform, beautiful again. Stained it, got really close to the color of the steps, or the original color, and there's a little glare on it now, but we're getting ready to do a real fine sanding with the 320 and then a matte finish. And now we've got the color he wants, and we've got a commercial grade polyurethane on here that they can drop chili dogs and wine and wipe it up and it'll be protected. All right, guys, enjoy it. Happy New Year's. Have a great one.